Hi, in this video we go back to the late 70s with London weekend television. Here you see the programme details. Sure, many of you will remember the highly successful High Summer programmes. One of the stars of the show was Mary Gordon Price, now my sister-in-law. Mary was in The New Faces in the 60s and has been performing ever since, recently appearing at the Gaiety Theatre in Ayr, Scotland. In this clip, the cast was assembled on an airfield in Ruislip, Middlesex. Low flypasts were expected, but as Mary often recalls, one was more than low. So I'll just run the clip now and let you see what I mean. How close? Well, let's slow things down and have a look. Now notice the plane as it's lining up in the background. Clip to the wide shot. Then back to Mary. Look how close. And it just dips its wing just in time, and of course her face is a real picture. Speaking to Mary this morning, she recalls that the crew ahead of her suddenly fell to the ground. She wondered why, and it was only when she was taken to the VT playback that she realised how close she had come. So there you go, pretty close for sure. Now if you want to see more from Mary, or indeed the other stars from the 70s, pop along to the SussexAngel channel, link in the more information box. Thanks for watching.